早上好，欢迎参加我们的集会。Good morning and welcome to the 2F assembly. Now we're at the Amazon rainforest. Here's my friend Jaguar. Hello, Jaguar. 请站起来唱国歌。Please stand for the singing of a... Now Jaguar's gone. I turn into a butterfly. Hi, butterfly. Let's hear some sports from Nolan. 下面是 Nolan.
我记大家三期设计 I will be shooting targets.
I love online learning because it gives me more practice. Hey guys, this shot is for you. I will see you online.
播报体育 Here Nolan with the sports. Oh, look, a toucan's flying by. Hi, toucan. Let's hear the weather from Odera. 下面是 Odera 播报天气 Here is Odera with the weather.
Hi everyone in Federal School. Today will be mostly sunny with a high of 9 and a low of 4. Stay safe everyone. 10多雨前进10多9地
Oh, look. Here are my friend Sloth. Hi, Sloth. Do you want to hear some jokes from Jessa? 下面是 Jessa 的笑话 Here is Jessa with the jokes.
Hi everyone. We send mo ni bu nung gi ji then jung so ha hua yi wei ta hui li kai. Why can't you tell jokes to an egg? Because it'll crack up. Boom. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
下面是 Unhead 的事实 Here is Unhead with the interesting facts.
Do you know snails take the longest naps, some lasting 3 years? 蜗牛可以3年的觉 Do you know goats have rectangular pupils in their eyes? 山羊的瞳孔是3角形的
Oh, look! My alligator friend is here. Do you want to hear any performance? 下面是我们班的表演 Here is our class with the performance.
I will be playing the alligator.
下面是我的表演。Here is myself at the performance.
This is my poem, 1PQ. 妈妈买个皮靴，上面好个小号，我来拍拍皮靴，小号翻个枕头。拜。拔萝卜，拔萝卜，拔萝卜，哎呦呦，哎呦呦。哎呦，哎呦，拔不动，哎呦，哎呦，拔不动。说好狗，说好猫，说老鼠，快来帮我拔萝卜，来了来了。拔萝卜，拔萝卜，哎呦呦，哎呦呦，哎呦哎呦，拔不动。哎呦哎呦，拔不动。
下面是 Shreya 播报生日。Here is Shreya with the birthdays.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日 Rowan， 祝你生日快乐 ，Happy birthday Rowan.
Happy birthday, Rowan. I wish you have a very good day.
Good morning, Rowan. I hope you have an amazing day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, BFF. Hope you feel days with yay.
Happy birthday, Rowan. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Rowan. Have an awesome day.
Happy birthday, Rowan. I wish you a good day with your family. Stay safe. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rowan. I hope you have a great birthday. Happy birthday, Rowan. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Rowan. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Rowan. Oh no, the cake fell. Rowan.
So your challenge this week is a keep up challenge. So it's your goal to keep anything in the air for as long as you can. It can be a lacrosse ball, a volleyball, a soccer ball, a hockey stick with a ball. For our younger students, you can hop on one foot and keep yourself in the air, or a balloon in the air. But your challenge is to keep something in the air for as many reps as you can. Good luck!
Alright, Fernhill, this is this week's Phys Ed challenge for you. We're doing the wall sit. Sienna, come on over here. I'm sitting in a nice 90-degree angle, back flat up against the wall. Feet are flat on the floor. Tighten up our stomach muscles. I'm going to see how long you can do one of these for. So see if you can set your phone up in a nice spot so you can watch yourself record doing this. I unfortunately have 128 gigs left on my camera, my phone here, so I'm going to run out of footage because I can do this for a very long time. So send your footage to me, Miss Orion, or Mr. Okus. Check you later.